Okay, we're gonna make a nice snack today for anybody, for children's, adults, Grammies, Grampies, uncles. Anybody can make them, and everybody would love to have them for a snack. You only need a few things. Some ribbon of your color choice. I got these 2 for $1 at AC Moore. I got 25 straws for 98 cents at Walmart. And look at this, 45 cents on plastic sandwich bags. And some pretzels from the Dollar Tree. That's all you need. So let's get started. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take a bag. Let me move my working plastic here over, in case we got any spills. And we're just gonna stick them right in, just like this. Gonna put them right in the bag. Guess we could do it that way. I'm not left-handed, but we can make myself left-handed. How's that? Just like that. Easy peasy. I hope everybody's having a fine day today. Me, I haven't had such a good day. You will not see me in pictures unless I get called by the dentist. I was out having lunch with my son, and guess what? I was having a fried haddock sandwich, and I broke my tooth. Yep, that's right, I broke my tooth. Never happened before in my life. Don't know why. It wasn't hard. My tooth must, and I've got pretty good teeth too. Must have just been ready to go. So there you have it right there. You have your pretzels in the bag. Then you're gonna take a straw. Just like this. Gonna even it all out. And we're gonna tie a ribbon around it. Just like this, we wanna tie a ribbon. And look how quick and easy that was. My hands don't wanna work. My fluffy fingers don't wanna make a bow. While you're making the bow, it's much easier to get undone if you just tie it. Well, come on, Brenda, make that bow. Those kids are saying, come on, you're gonna make me starve here. I just can't get my bow going for some reason. And I'm not gonna edit it out. Oh well, it is what it is, and that's how it is. The hair, not a very pretty looking bow. And if you tell me if that doesn't look like a witch's broom, look at that. Stand it right up, just like that. So there's my witch's broom right there. You have a straw, and you could have a drink because pretzels always make you thirsty. And there you got your pretzels right there. And you can take a little, if you got some extra wrapping, you can take the scissors like this and just cut it off, or you could tape it, whatever you feel like doing. But there you have it, right there. And I'm gonna make a few more and do up. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. And I'm gonna make a couple of cute things during the week for the kiddos. And like I said, doesn't take much. Pretzels, plastic, sandwich bags, straws, and ribbon. And also, dun-ta-da, I like to say I got some mail and I'm happy. Happy, and you know what, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know what, clap your hands. I got happy mail. And who do you think it's from? It says, good vibes, good thoughts, good wishes. I'm a very colorful person. How colorful is that? And it says, sending them all your way. Hope you're feeling good soon. And I got a little personal note in there. But isn't that cute? And this is from Delores, the Bacon Diva. So thank you, Delores, so much. I just had my son go check the mail for me, and it was here. So we got a nice mail call there. I want to thank you so much. For the folks that don't know, I have been under the weather and being treated currently with the doctor. And we have the witch's broom. How cool is that? So, you never know what's going to be on my videos. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day now. God bless.